Is your lane departure warning light constantly on or flashing? This indicates a problem that needs immediate attention. The lane departure warning system uses a forward facing camera to continuously monitor lane markings and alert you when you unintentionally drift out of your lane. The system typically activates above 35 to 40 miles per hour and requires clearly visible lane markings to function properly. Modern vehicles use multiple sensors and cameras positioned around the car to monitor the surrounding environment and detect lane markings. The primary camera is typically mounted behind the rearview mirror on the windshield. Keeping this camera lens clean is essential for proper system operation. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently clean the camera lens, removing any dirt, water spots, or debris that could interfere with the system's ability to detect lane markings. Common issues in recent model years include software glitches causing false alerts, weather sensitivity affecting performance, and challenges with faded or unclear lane markings. Start troubleshooting by checking that the system is enabled in your vehicle settings. Verify you're driving above the minimum speed threshold, and ensure lane markings are clearly visible with adequate lighting. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, inspect the windshield for damage near the camera area and consider that a system reset might be necessary. When your lane departure warning system isn't working properly, there are several reset methods you can try before seeking professional help. The first method is a soft reset. Simply turn off your vehicle completely, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then restart the engine. This clears temporary system glitches. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a battery disconnect reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 to 20 minutes, then reconnect it. Many modern vehicles also offer a menu-based reset option. Access your vehicle settings, navigate to driver assistance, and look for lane departure warning reset or recalibrate options. However, some situations require professional calibration. After windshield replacement, the camera position may have changed and needs precise realignment. Collision repair, especially front-end damage, can affect the camera alignment and system accuracy. Even minor impacts may require recalibration. Suspension modifications that change your vehicle's height also affect the camera angle and require professional recalibration to maintain accuracy. Regular maintenance is key to preventing issues. Schedule calibration checks every 12,000 miles or annually to keep your system functioning properly. If you're uncomfortable performing these reset procedures, or if the problem persists after trying these methods, seek help from a certified technician. Professional diagnosis and calibration ensure your safety system works correctly. Remember, your lane departure warning system is a critical safety feature. Proper maintenance and professional calibration when needed ensure it continues to protect you on the road.